AIRBUS proudly presents Airbus Helicopters H135T3 Helionix, serial number 2090. The Airbus Helicopters H135 has been the benchmark for light twin-engine helicopters for the last 25 years. With over 300 operators located throughout the world, the H135 has flown north of 5.5 million flight hours. Powered by two Safran Arias 2B2 Plus engines with a full authority digital electronic control system, the H135T3 has one of the highest safety record in its class. Equipped with the latest Airbus Helionix avionics flight deck with Step 3.1, a traffic advisory system and dual Garmin 750s, serial number 2090 is designed with safety in mind. Featuring a synthetic vision system and 4-axis automatic pilot with complete flight envelope protection, the 5-pack ACH Interior by ACH offers a contemporary design with a high level of attention to detail and styling. Enhanced soundproofing as well as a rear partition from the baggage hold provides passengers with an outstanding level of cabin comfort. Other optional equipment include air conditioning, an emergency flotation system, an inlet barrier filter system, fixed provisions for an internal long-range fuel tank, amongst many more. Serial number 2090 is a very low time, two-owner machine that has been enrolled on the Safran SBH engine maintenance program, always hangared and consistently maintained to the highest industry standards since delivery. Airbus Helicopters H135T3, serial number 2090, presented by AIRBUS.